Yeah, that's not good, man.
Watch this.
Yeah. Good. All right, guys. So I am at St. Paul's, and this has been abandoned since I think the 80s or so. So I walk up these stairs, the creepiest thing I've ever seen happen. So I walk up the stairs, peek through this window right here. Just look in this window. I'm gonna zoom in. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I'm scared.
Hey, give me a cold start, Frank, or a warm start. Let's hear this mid muffler. Oh yeah. That sounded good, buddy. You did a little light switch in here, huh?
Yeah,
blue lights.
Going the bottom
like
to
that.
the bottom of the door.
Oh yeah,
Everything. It's hard to see.
Yeah, I see the blue.
You have room back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit really in the middle.
Yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. This part.
Okay. I mean, I only had that one
Damn,
issue.
I'm scared even to get in here.
No, it's
Don't be
not
scared, man. Don't be
serious.
scared. Don't be scared.
I'm scared. So clean. Look at this. So beautiful. My God.
I know it is pretty pristine.
You don't want to be on the camera, right?
Nah, not necessarily.
You're so sexy. Why not?
You are sexy.
I'm wanted.
Look at RT how ugly he is, and he's like on the.
I know.
camera
I'm
like
always on camera. I'm an ugly SOB. No, but okay. So right now we're gonna try and replicate a paddle shifter issue that Frank Eurospeed on YouTube is having consistently, and Frank FP2000s in the passenger seat. He has had issues with his paddle shifters, and I only had a paddle shifter issue once, and that was on the highway. We were, having some fun, and I got stuck in 5th gear, and the paddle shifters really spazzed out on me. So this is interesting. We're going to try and replicate the issue, and if anybody else is having this kind of issue, drop it in the comments below. And this is just a friendly heads up to anybody that's really, looking into these cars or having the same issues. At least you're not the only one.
I can use your audio then. I don't have to talk.
Yeah, you don't have to talk.
All right, Frank. So you got the same mods that I have, right? You got the taser, the pedal commander.
Yep.
And pretty much that's it, right?
Yep.
Mid-muffler delete.
Mid-muffler delete.
All right.
Frank, you know what?
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor?
What?
Shut that pedal commander off. This way we know that is not affecting anything.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So now the problem you're having again is you replace these or not? Oh,
Yeah, those are the Hellcat paddle.
You had problems before that, though,
But
right?
I had problems from the very beginning.
Okay.
And the reason why I put on the larges is I was hoping that it resolves the problem. But it didn't. So what's happening is upshift, right side of the steering wheel. I'm trying to upshift, and if I touch it lightly on the bottom, the bottom of the paddle, the car downshifts instead of upshifting. And that's what we
that's what happened to me.
Trying to.
I think I was in 4th gear and I tried to the upshift and it downshifted instead.
Yeah.
All right, let's go for a ride. Let's try.
Okay. The 19s, for some reason, it just doesn't feel right on my fingers. The new material. Not that I touch it.
Yeah, right. I'm saying when you're driving, you're not gonna have to.
But
I like
Take it easy, baby.
I like
Take it
to
easy.
stroke my Charger. So when you use the shifter right down here, not the paddle shifters, you don't have any issues, right?
No issues whatsoever.
That's why I always use manual. I never use the paddle. I'm scared that's gonna
Watch
happen.
this. I'm gonna try to upshift into 3rd. See, downshift.
Yeah,
See?
see now.
Oh, yeah.
I
Try-
saw it.
Now it's upshift. Watch this. See, downshifted. Like, let's go to
That's
fourth.
funky.
Right?
Watch
Told
it.
you.
Watch it. See?
So what happens with the left? Wait, the left one, does it downshift you?
Yeah.
As well?
That works perfectly. But let me go into fourth gear.
So the left
Watch
does actually what it's supposed to
Watch
do.
it. I'm in fourth gear. Downshift, you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
It's in third now instead of up.
Yeah, that's
I
not good.
press it harder, it works. Watch it. I touch it lightly. That's a fifth. It worked. Now it worked.
So it just sporadically does that.
Yeah, but it's
You're probably wondering what this is. Well, this is not brass knuckles. This is more important. It's a bottle opener.
Well, that's why. If you go a little faster, I'll do it. Try.
see,
Told you.
Yeah,
downshift.
okay.
See, when you go slow, I guess the pedal works, and when you go faster, it'll
Let's try.
why? That's weird.
Watch this.
You know what that is?
This happened to me at like 60, 70 miles an hour. That was scary.
Watch this.
Yeah, that's not good, man.
Watch this. See?
Yeah,
Downshift.
it's
Yeah.
not good.
Instead of up.
He's not touching the left at all.
Watch it. See, downshift
Yeah.
instead of up.
That's crazy.
Downshift it again to first.
That's crazy. This is not good, man. I'm telling you. Mine,
See,
I don't
but
play.
when I push it
this
hard-
is why I don't play with those.
See, when I push
Yeah.
it, when I
Relax.
yeah, when I touch it up here, when I touch it up here, it works. So let's see. It's just when I touch it in the
So it's only the right one, because
yeah.
even mine was the same thing. The left was working right, and the right one on the video I did, I got scared. I was going like 60 miles an hour. I upshift and it went down.
Second. Third, and then let me try to go down.
So you have to basically be careful
Yeah.
where you touch your paddle shifter.
You don't do. That's why I drive without it. I drive manual there
But here,
for that
works.
reason.
See, I'm touching the top portion of the paddle. It works.
Yeah.
It's just when I
And
go.
now you're going too slow. I think the RPM are too low.
Yeah.
When you go
Shift's not
higher, that's
allowed.
when it
Yeah, I
does
gotta
it.
turn around.
Oh, he did a U-turn right in the middle of underpass. It's crazy. This is why I don't use the pedal shifters, because I'm afraid that something's gonna happen. So I experienced that twice. I made that video, and I said no, I'm not doing this no more. This sounds good though.
Sit downshifted at first.
Yeah,
You've
this
never
is what I'm
tried.
saying. Like doing second and third gear, like go downshift to
Yeah.
second or first.
And
That's a big jump.
It's mostly in second, third, and once you're above fifth gear.
Yeah,
really
it seems like when the engine is more quiet, like when it's
Yeah.
more relaxed, it'll do it right.
Yeah.
When it's up, the RPMs are up. That's when it screws it up.
First gear. Second gear.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's not safe, man. That's not good.
That's not safe because the car
Yeah.
brakes.
Now
Hey,
This
look at
is
that!
Brian.
Brian's here.
Oh.
Is he
You fucking
working?
scared me.
I don't know.
He's running across the street.
He's like, oh, did you
Whoa.
see him jump?
He almost ran a red light.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, that's not safe, dude. You're hitting that paddle shifter and it's not
Second.
going up.
First.
Yeah, no, that's not good.
And I'm
Yeah.
only using
Now
the
we have to
option.
prove for Dodge to show that that's a problem. Because he had the problem, I had the problem, you having the problem, and I know a lot of other people having
Right.
the same problem, and nobody knows what the hell is going on. So this should be addressed.
Yeah, it should not have anything to do with the pressure you're using on the paddle. It always should work right. Yeah.
Agreed.
If
I don't even agree there should be a problem with
No,
lighter
but-
or heavier. It shouldn't be there at all. Like,
No,
That's what
right.
he's saying. That's what he's
Right,
saying.
but what
Like
I'm
you
saying
shouldn't have to monitor how
Right,
hard or
exactly,
soft you touch
right.
it.
But what I'm
Right.
saying is, if I push it really hard, it's no problem. But if I lightly,
Just ever so
Second-
gingerly.
second-
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, that's not good.
right?
It's not, see, look, if it was going
Overpass.
up,
Let's nail this, guys.
step on it.
That's
See,
what I'm talking
like,
about.
If it was upshifting, it was different. It goes, at least the car keeps going, and then
Yeah.
the RPM will just drop. The car gets silent, whatever.
I
But
think it has to do with
downshifting
the
is
RPM
dangerous.
too, yeah.
You know what else is dangerous?
What?
Drugs.